In today's video, I am going to teach you how to step up best Klaviyo flow for abandoned checkouts. We are going to build a simple abandoned checkout flow in Klaviyo from scratch. This flow is designed to reach people who started the checkout process but did not complete their purchase, so you can bring them back at the right time with a clear, helpful email. Start by looking at the left sidebar in Klaviyo and click Flows. This is where you manage automations, and it is the place to create a new sequence for checkout recovery. Next, click Create Flow. When the options appear, choose to create from scratch or choose the build option if that is what your account shows. Creating from scratch is a good choice when you want full control over the timing and messaging. Now you will set your trigger, which tells Klaviyo exactly when this flow should begin. Select the option to view all triggers, then choose Metric. From the metric list, choose Started Checkout. This ensures the flow starts the moment a shopper begins checkout, even if they leave before paying. With the trigger in place, add a short waiting period before sending your first message. Drag a time delay directly below the trigger. Set the delay to 2 hours. This timing is a solid baseline because it gives the shopper space to finish on their own, while still keeping your brand fresh in their mind. After the time delay, drag an email block below it. This is the message that will go out after the 2-hour wait. Click Configure Content so you can build the email, then select Template. Using a template saves time and keeps your design consistent with your brand. From the available templates, choose an abandoned cart design. These templates are built for recovery, usually with clear product reminders and a strong call to action. Take a moment to confirm the layout fits your store style before you move on. When you are ready, click Save and Exit. Finally, choose whether to leave the flow in draft while you review it, or set it directly to live if you are ready for it to start sending. Draft is best if you still want to double-check your content and settings. That covers everything you need to know.